Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.